Hey folks, so it's, SoFloPicker hit his 10 subscriber milestone, although I believe they have at least double that now. And I guess the idea is to pick our favorite lock and explain how we got into lock picking. On the other hand, considering how many times I've tried to make this video, I could be mistaking it for someone else's Anyway, this is a Hercules lock, Hercules. It's a Hercules lock. It says CH on it for some reason. It comes with a key. Comes with one key and it says "Do not copy" on it, which is cute. I got 2 of these for Christmas. And this will be my first time trying to pick it on camera. I did pick it open successfully last night. Kind of surprisingly, but whatever. Let's get started while I do the little story. So, 8 years ago now, about that. 8 years ago, and actually April, I went to a security conference where I picked up my first set of lockpicks at a tool booth. Which I wasn't. There was a tool booth, TOOL booth, and so there were locks there. They were selling lockpicks. I actually had a reason. I think like a week. I don't know, maybe like a few weeks before. It wasn't too long before that. I had a reason to need some lockpicks, and then wasn't able to get them in time for them to be useful before someone actually did some destructive entering. So I figured picking up a set would be useful, and I had, what did I say? I went to the folks at the booth that were selling stuff. I said, "Do you have any that are made in the U.S.?" And they go, "Well, we got these," and they hand me a set of Petersons, which came with a S-rake, a gem in 15,000s. How I have ever snapped those is beyond me. A DeForest diamond, which I used a ton until I bent it recently, and a half diamond and 2 tensioners, none of which are in front of me. Good grief, just let the pins drop. Anyway, after that, I go home. I think my dad gave me a padlock he had lying around, which wasn't worth even bothering to pick. I don't even think I ever did pick it. I think I was just bypassing it using the Forest Diamond. Anyway, fast forward many years. Like I would take them to this, I've taken the picks to other security conferences after that. Kind of various for the tool booth, but that's been about it. Then, about a year or 2 ago, I came across Bosnian Bill on YouTube, and from there I found some other lock pickers. I think one of the first ones I found was the Average Picker, who was very kind to send me a bunch of locks right when I needed them the most, because, things didn't go well. Right when lockdown was starting to happen, right when we were hearing about just how bad the pandemic really was. Oh, I got it open. Nice. This is probably my 6th or 7th try making a video. Mainly because I wasn't getting anything open previously. Anyway, so speed this up. Average Picker sent me a bunch of locks, which was great timing because I needed something to do. But I figured that month, maybe 2, we were going to be in lockdown. Here we are 10 months later. And because things were going pretty rough, if you follow my channel, you know what happened. But I get those locks; those were fun to pick on. Since then, I've been part of the reason I was making the videos enter contests and stuff. And have something to do. And, to get the most out of the locks that the AP sent me, and many other people have been really nice to me and sent me locks. And, this community really helped me stay sane this last year. And I really appreciate it. So, yeah. I guess that's the story in a nutshell. I think I said this better the first... last time I tried to record this video, I think I did a better job talking about it, but... I don't know. I got it open. My camera battery's gonna die, so I'm just gonna sign off now. Main thing is... yeah. I don't know. There are more steps to it involving... whatever. Anyway, main thing is I've been doing lockpicking to stay sane during quarantine. And because just an interesting skill to have. So, thanks for watching. Congratulations, Sofo, on at least going well past 10 subscribers at this point. And thanks everyone for watching.